guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we've decided to go see some fireworks since today is 5th of November and that's bonfire night. But before we do that, we're decided to have some nice lunch at this really nice cafe because we are quite hungry, and the fireworks do start at 6 and it's 4 right now, so we've got 2 hours. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so now I'm gonna go order things. So what do you want?
I want a pie with hot chocolate. I want a croissant and one of those cookies that we had last time, and a hot chocolate.
Okay. I want hot chocolate with whipped cream and flakes, and I also want a croissant. Okay, and Jack, I just want a coffee and a nice egg sandwich. Okay, and I know what I want. Actually, no, make that a sub with tomatoes, meat, and cream cheese and lettuce. Okay then. Okay guys, so we have arrived at the fireworks. As you can see, it's super pretty, and yeah, really, so yeah. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye, please.